Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
Lecture 1. Characteristics of successful bloggers. Successful bloggers often share several key characteristics that contribute to their success. Here are some common traits. 1. Passion. Successful bloggers are passionate about their niche or topic. They genuinely enjoy writing and sharing their knowledge, which helps them create engaging content. 2. Consistency. Consistent and regular posting is crucial for building an audience and keeping them engaged. Successful bloggers often have a posting schedule and stick to it. 3. Authenticity. Authenticity helps bloggers connect with their audience on a deeper level. Readers appreciate genuine content that reflects the blogger's personality and voice. 4. Engagement. Successful bloggers engage with their audience through comments, social media, and email. They respond to feedback, questions, and comments, which helps build a loyal following. 5. Quality content. Quality content is key to attracting and retaining readers. Successful bloggers focus on creating valuable, informative, and well-written content that resonates with their audience. 6. SEO knowledge. Understanding SEO, search engine optimization, is important for driving organic traffic to a blog. Successful bloggers know how to optimize their content for search engines to increase visibility. 7. Networking skills. Building relationships with other bloggers, influencers, and industry professionals can help bloggers grow their audience and reach new readers. 8. Adaptability. The blogging landscape is constantly evolving. Successful bloggers are adaptable and willing to try new strategies and technologies to stay relevant. 9. Monetization strategies. Many successful bloggers have multiple streams of income, such as sponsored content, affiliate marketing, and digital products. They understand how to monetize their blog without compromising their integrity. 10. Analytics and data-driven decisions. Successful bloggers use analytics tools to track their performance and make data-driven decisions to improve their content and reach. By embodying these characteristics, bloggers can increase their chances of success and build a loyal audience over time.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.